All right, guys, welcome back to Repurpose Kings, and thanks for being here. And we have a new build for us this evening.
I had a girl message me the other day on our Facebook page and asked me if I could build a table for her TV, and I said sure. So she brought me this and asked me if Justin and I could build the table around this. This is an old gas heater door. So this is going to be the door to the main compartment, the main shelf of this console table.
And we've got some oak pieces, these old jack stands. I guess first thing we need to do is clean up the jack stands, and I'm gonna go get some plywood for the top.
Yeah.
Let's roll. All right, so to attach our TV stand to this door, Brian's right over there.
Hey.
This is porcelain, and I didn't want to drill any holes in it because we got to get some hinges on here somehow. And so what I'm going to try to do is just epoxy this piece of wood, and I rounded off one side to fit the inside of this radius right there, and then the hinges. Look at these nice hinges Brian found. I don't know if they're solid bronze or bronze coated.
They came off of my great grandmother's Singer sewing machine.
So I'm just going to mix up some epoxy and glue it on.
Don't screw it up.
guys. So a couple of things I'd like to address before we end the video. First thing is, we learned something about the color. Alright, so we went to the store and bought a can of paint. It was the same color as the door. And it was the same color, same tone, but it was 1 or 2 shades lighter. And we were kind of stressing about that, thinking, what's it going to look like? Is it going to match? Is it going to look obvious? But then we learned something that when you look at it, as you can see right here, they look the same. And what occurred to us was that once we got this up under there where there's not as much light, it darkened it a little bit. They are different shades, or when it's sitting in a shadow, it looks the same. And so that's something, if we had gotten a paint that was exactly the same, then that would look darker than the door. I will say today this is my favorite piece that we've done, just because it's cool. It's got a good funky vibe to it. I love the contrast between the unfinished wood here and then the darker oak stain that we have. I like just this funky color thing going on right here. And I think this heater door made a good TV console.
Absolutely.
So anyway,
We definitely stepped out of our comfort zone and went a little more artsy. We usually just do functional, but we like this. I'm gonna try it again.
yeah. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and click, where should I put it?
I don't know.
I'm going to put it right here in the middle.
Sure.
If you'll click right here in the middle, you can subscribe to our channel. Whatever the internet wants you to watch, I put another video right over there. And so you can click that if you want to watch that. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.